If you eat this common breakfast food every morning, you may slowly be damaging your gut and the symptoms might already be showing. Breakfast is often called the most important meal of the day. We imagine a healthy morning meal filled with energy, nutrients, and a great start to the day. But what if I told you that one of the most common breakfast foods in the USA and Europe, something millions eat daily, is actually harming your gut, weakening your digestion, and triggering issues like bloating, acid reflux, gas, fatigue, and even inflammation? This food is marketed as healthy, promoted as beneficial, and recommended by many, but the science now suggests otherwise. And today I will break down which breakfast food silently harms your gut, the exact science behind how it damages the gut lining, why your morning bloating, gas, and discomfort may be coming from this one habit, what doctor-approved foods you should eat instead, so stay with me until the end. Because the replacement foods I recommend can transform your digestion in just a few days. Number 1. The most harmful breakfast food, sugary breakfast cereals. Yes, the one breakfast food damaging your gut the most is sugary breakfast cereals. Breakfast cereals are one of the most consumed foods in the USA, especially among adults who think they're choosing a quick and healthy option before work. But here's the hidden truth. Most cereals contain more sugar than desserts. Most cereals contain refined grains that spike your blood sugar. The additives and chemicals irritate your gut lining. They create inflammation that affects the entire digestive system. Even cereals marketed as healthy, whole grain, or fortified often have high fructose corn syrup, artificial flavors, food colorings, preservatives, sugar alcohols, additives linked to digestive problems. This combination can silently harm your gut over time. Number 2. How breakfast cereals damage your gut. The science. They cause a rapid blood sugar spike first thing in the morning. Breakfast cereals break down quickly into glucose. This sudden spike in blood sugar leads to insulin surges, fatigue within hours, hunger soon after, gut irritation, increased inflammation. Your gut microbiome suffers due to this daily sugar roller coaster. B. They feed bad bacteria in your gut. Your gut microbiome is made of trillions of bacteria. Some are good, some are harmful. Sugary cereals feed harmful bacteria that produce gas and toxins. This leads to bloating, constipation, loose stools, cramping, low energy, mood swings. A disturbed gut can even affect your mental health. Doctors now call the gut the second brain. C. Additives plus chemicals damage the gut lining. Most cereals contain preservatives and artificial colors. Studies show certain additives weaken the intestinal barrier, causing leaky gut syndrome, meaning toxins can slip into your bloodstream and cause inflammation throughout the body. Symptoms of this include chronic bloating, constant tiredness, skin issues, joint pain, food sensitivities, irritable bowel symptoms, IBS. D. Gluten in many cereals irritates the gut. Even if you're not gluten intolerant, the protein can irritate many people's gut lining when eaten repeatedly every morning. This leads to indigestion, gas, stomach tightness, brain fog, especially when consumed on an empty stomach. E. Your stomach is not ready for ultra-processed foods in the morning. Morning digestion is naturally slower. When you immediately introduce sugar, processed grains, chemical additives, your gut becomes overwhelmed. That's why so many people feel morning bloating, slow digestion, midday fatigue, sugar cravings. Number 3. The hidden symptoms you may already have. If you regularly eat breakfast cereals, you may experience morning bloating, gas after meals, acid reflux, stomach heaviness, irritation after eating, IBS-like symptoms, random fatigue, poor focus, food cravings. Most people never connect these symptoms to their breakfast, but once they stop eating sugary cereals, their digestion improves noticeably within 3 to 7 days. Number 4. Why children and adults in the USA are suffering the most. Breakfast cereals are heavily marketed in the USA often as heart-healthy, low-fat, whole grain, fortified with vitamins, but these claims hide the truth. Most cereals are 40 to 70% sugar. Additives are banned in many countries. They spike blood sugar faster than soda. They weaken digestive function over time. Adults who start their day with cereal often experience afternoon crashes, cravings, mood issues, digestive discomfort. The gut never gets a chance to stabilize. Number 5. The best gut-friendly breakfast alternatives. If you want stronger digestion, stable sugar levels, and better morning energy, replace cereals with doctor-approved foods. Here are the best alternatives: eggs, high protein, zero sugar; overnight oats, unsweetened; Greek yogurt with berries; avocado toast, whole grain; chia seed pudding, low sugar smoothies; nuts plus fruit combo; scrambled eggs plus vegetables. These foods strengthen your gut lining, improve microbiome health, keep your blood sugar stable, provide long-lasting energy. Number 6. The morning habit that will transform your gut. Before eating anything in the morning, do this simple doctor-approved habit: drink a glass of warm water. Benefits include: stimulates digestion, reduces bloating, prepares gut for food, improves metabolism, helps bowel movement naturally. This one step alone improves your gut health dramatically.
Conclusion: Brioche cereals may look harmless, but the sugar, chemicals, and processed grains quietly damage your gut over time. If you suffer from bloating, acidics, and energy-morning fatigue, your breakfast might be the cause. Replace cereals with natural, high-protein, gut-friendly foods, and your digestion, energy, and overall health will noticeably improve. For more important health advice like this, make sure to subscribe to the channel.